very good afternoon from here in the centre of Gibraltar. This evening we're going to take a stroll around Gibraltar. A very good morning from here in Gibraltar. A very good morning guys from here in Casemates Square. So, very good morning guys from me here in John Mackintosh Square. And in a couple of hours time there will be a parade here, there will be a reenactment of the changing of the guards, and this is to celebrate two things. The first thing it's celebrating is the E-Day victory in Europe. The second thing is the Gibraltar Heritage Week. So we should be in for a good show. It is the Reenactment Society that are putting on this performance. So yeah, in a couple of hours time this place should fill and we should be in for a really good show. So I look forward to it guys, and welcome back to a very beautiful, very warm, sunny Gibraltar. We can see quite a sizable crowd has gathered around the piazza this afternoon, hence the reason I'm here on the corner. This was the best spot I could find to film this. sun is really beating down on the square here, which makes me think about everyone that's taking part in this parade and how hot they must be feeling in their uniforms. So as the parade leaves John Mackintosh Square just behind me, it goes on to Main Street and heads towards Casemates Square. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut through Irish Town here. We're going to make our way to Casemates Square that way. Hopefully we'll be able to overtake the parade and yeah, be able to get ahead of it so I can get the best shots. But what a beautiful day it is here today. It's about 23 degrees at the moment. And yeah, the weather's been really good the last couple of weeks here in Gibraltar, so I think that's it for the bad weather. I think it's all over. We're back to the beautiful summer weather, summer sunshine. So yeah, come on guys, let's make our way down to Casemates Square. See the crowds gathering around Casemates Square here on this beautiful summer afternoon here. Absolutely fantastic to see here in the centre of Gibraltar. It really is a treat and we're very lucky to be able to see these parades and performances on quite a regular basis. So if you are a tourist coming down here, there is a good chance you'll be able to catch one of these parades. And yeah, I think we're just waiting for the conclusion of the parade here in Casemates Square. The time has just gone 1 o'clock in the afternoon here. So I guess that's it from me here in the centre of Gibraltar, Casemates Square just behind me, where we saw the parade finish just a few moments ago. And what a fantastic parade, eh? If there is ever a spectacle put on by those guys, it's always here in Gibraltar. So definitely something to check out if you are visiting Gibraltar. I think they do a reenactment every Saturday. Double check it, you'll find the information online. But yeah, absolutely wonderful to see here. It's such a beautiful afternoon now. I think I'm just going to go out and enjoy and make the most of it. But from me here in Casemates Square, thank you for watching as always guys, and I shall see you all on the next adventure.